Whether you're a businesswoman or a business person with a passion for nurturing and developing life, keep watching to learn how to apply your nurturing talents to grow your small business. Happy present moment and welcome to this channel. For those who don't know me, I'm your hostess, Jeanette Salvatierra. Thanks for stopping by and joining our community created to provide information and inspiration to support aspiring business people to become happy and successful business owners. People ignore how related are the strategies to grow your business to parenting or nurturing a human being or a living being, especially for women or people with well-balanced feminine energy. It comes naturally to perform these activities around nurturing that require patience and perseverance in a long term. On the other hand, the U.S. Small Business Administration recommends 9 strategies to grow a small business, and you know what? 5 of those strategies are related to people nurturing and care. Not to money, not to fancy digital marketing or social media strategies, but to people. Your business, clients, your employees, and the community at large. Actually, these 5 strategies can be summarized with the words know, improve, develop, connect, and measure. I use parenting examples to illustrate how these activities help nurturing a healthy business, one which eventually will grow bigger and bigger every year. Before I give you the details, the strategies, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel, activate notifications, and if you like our content, please express yourself by leaving us a thumbs up and by sharing and commenting this video. It means the world to us because these simple actions from you help us grow this channel, reaching more people every day. So thanks in advance for spreading the word. Now let's dive into these 5 strategies to make your small business bigger and bigger every day. Strategy number 1, know your customer. You can learn about their preference and the way they think about your business by asking questions via survey, providing opportunities for them to review or comment about your business, and of course, by direct observation of their behavior, either at your brick and mortar place or through their interactions with your digital assets or your store. It works similarly like you observe your children don't eating their vegetables. You come with a trick or with an idea to disguise the vegetables in the preparation. And how do you come with this brilliant solution? Because you learned through observation to ensure you offer the right product and services to your client. You must learn about your client preference in order to fulfill them. Strategy number 2, improve your client's experience. By providing great customer services, taking care of their satisfaction with your product or service, your delivery method, packaging, etc., always strive to exceed your customers' expectations. Like when you want to impress your family, you treat them with their favorite meals or with an afternoon at the park. Promise good quality and services and deliver extraordinary experience. This will make your business result comes also out of the ordinary. Strategy number 3, develop your clients' loyalty to your business. By offering incentive for repeat business or affiliate programs for existing customers to bring new ones, rewarding everybody with extra goodies, discounts, or access to exclusive merchandising. Like when you create the perfect environment for your adolescent and their friends to stay at your house, you develop loyalty from your children and their friends, and you obtain peace of mind. Likewise, with your customers, provide you as a business owner peace of mind coming from predictable and stable recurrent revenue streams. And of course, you should also develop your employees' loyalty by investing in their skill development, working environment, and compensation. You will ensure their help when required to perform all these strategies in your business plan. Strategy number 4, connect with the community at large. Besides networking events, advertisement, and public relations, by supporting social causes related to your business values and mission, you create for your company a positive image in the community. And that emotional connection people look forward to finding in brands nowadays. And it's the same or similar like when you create goodwill with your neighbors by being friendly, respectful, bringing a hand when needed. Social responsibilities for small businesses improve general reputation and eventually brings new business to your business. Finally, strategy number 5, measure results for all activities. You will learn about the effectiveness of your strategies by measuring how close or far are their results against your goals. Like you continue giving your flowers the same flower food to keep them beautiful. Measuring results allows you to identify which strategy keeps and which one discard. If you want more ideas to grow your business in this decade, check out this video about how businesses must change to succeed in the post-pandemic decade, and also this other video to improve your personal productivity using your fingers. From now, thanks for watching, blessings for you and your business, and see you soon in an upcoming episode of Jeanette Salvatierra TV.